Aloha. Today we're taking a look at the book, Can You Take the Heat? The WWF is Cooking. Classic JR cooking book. Featuring the cover with JR, Stone Cold, and The Rock. Can you imagine them all getting together to take this cooking photo? Kind of looks like The Rock was photoshopped in, but you can see Stone Cold has a shadow of JR on him, so at least if they were photoshopping, they were doing a good job on that. So let's see what's inside. Good cooking recipes. Can you take the heat? Can you take the heat? The WWF is cooking. Jim Ross and the WWE Superstars. Index. Table of contents. Introduction by JR. Opening match, appetizers, salads, and soups. We got Sergeant Slaughter mess hall dip. Looks like something that could be interesting to try. Lita's Mexican style ceviche. Mick Foley's knuckle sandwich. Edge's cocktail meatball party. Sounds like quite the dish. Gangrel's deviled eggs. A lot of puns in here. Dave and Earl Hebner's crab artichoke spread. It's funny, they've both been banned. And so is China from WWE. China's guacamole salad. We got Scotty Too Hotties, Too Cool orange salad. But that's a yum yum. Oh, Stephanie McMahon Helmsley Waldorf salad. At what point did she drop the Helmsley and just go back to being Stephanie McMahon? Oh, blackjack, orange chicken and rice salad, noodles. JR's baked French onion soup. That's another one to try. Ese Rios, black beans and chicken soup, El Grande. Oh, and Howard Finkel's heart-filled chicken soup. I bet that's a good eat. Oh, Buell Buchanan's beefy barley soup. Midian's minestrone soup. I wonder if it's naked Midian or just regular Midian soup. The main event, entrees. The Rock's famous rock bottom pancakes. Stone Cold Texas toast. That's something to try. Shawn Michaels San Antonio omelet. Interesting that they're all location-based meals. Oh, Kevin Kelly's carb-free breakfast quiche. He hasn't been WWE in a long time. Jim Cornette's Kentucky corned beef sandwiches. JR's Tex-Mex stew. Good photo of JR and Stone Cold. Smashing the beers. They're the young Hardy Boys chicken fried steak. Maybe that's why they're not quite so skinny anymore. Undertaker's turkey and spinach tizzarizzi. No, I butchered that one. We got Tasty Trish kebabs. Big Show's lamb roast with herbs. Well, it's the Big Show. JR's mashed potato meatloaf. Triple H swordfish a la Helmsley. Bradshaw smothered Texas round steak. Pat Patterson big cabbage balls. Oh boy. Oh boy. Big Bossman's peppered steak. Now, is that the Al Snow's dog peppered steak? Oh, it's a 2-page meal. Jim Ross's Slobberknock pork chops. JR's roasted chicken. We got the Brooklyn Brawlers artichoke chicken. Hardcore Holly's big beefy meatballs. Dudley Boys Dudleyville chicken and dumplings with a Z. JR's deep dish Italian sausage lasagna. Grilled steak Benoit. Okie dokie. With a vicious chair shot. Dean Malenko's beef stroganoff. Rakishi's rump roast. Oh my goodness. We got Kaientai stir fry. Draws's barbecue chicken pizza. D'Lo Brown's basic broiled chicken. Jerry Lawler's chicken a la king. Mean Street Posse pot pie. JR's spicy pork stew. Stone Cold's rattlesnake rib rub. Stone Cold stomp a mud hole in your steak and ribs simmering sauce. It's quite a mouthful for sauce. Shane McMahon broiled smackdown scampi. Oh, look at that young Shane McMahon. Christian's eggplant parmesan. That's what a daddy makes. Jacqueline Laquish's stuffed green peppers. Eddie Guerrero's Mexican tortilla casserole. JR and Jan Ross awesome Oso Boko. Oh, I can't get that one right. The Big Valboski's kielbasa. A lot of innuendos in this book. The Cat's homemade beef jerky. Steve Blackman's serious marinara sauce. Oh yeah, I bet that hits. Stephen Regal's fish and chips. Yum. Harvey Whippleman even makes it in here. Southern salmon patties. Lean Mean Fighter Fare, just as fun with less fat section. Jerry Lawler's Fit for a King low fat chicken gumbo. Vince's big broiled grapefruits. Oh boy. Ivory's one pan fish dinner. Tori's maple barbecue chicken. Paul Bearer's tuna stuffed tomatoes. Baruch's low fat fried chicken. Michael Hayes PS potato skins. Ha ha ha. Tag Team Classics, side dishes and breads. JR's smashed down potatoes with attitude. Too cool homeboy fries. Grandmaster Sexy sweet potato casserole. Dudley Boys baked sweet potatoes with a Z. Tony Guerrera's vegetables and wine over rice. Billy Gunn's grilled badass asparagus. Scissor me daddy ass. Road Dogs fried chicken tomatoes. Oh, you didn't know? Bulldog's green beans with garlic. Al Snow's peas. We got Hillbilly Jim's collard greens with smoked turkey. Headbangers stuffed shrooms. Ho ho ho. Wonder what kind of shrooms those are. Michael Cole's sweet gazed baby carrots. That's what Michael Cole's been eating all these years. China's pico de gallo. The Rock's macaroni salad. Rakishi's rice casserole with broccoli. Oh, and he's still facing Triple H. JR's green bean casserole. Lita's spicy black beans with onions and bacon. Tostadas with chicken and black bean guacamole. Terry's shrimp and avocado salad. Acolyte's beer bread. Taz's Red Hook garlic bread. Stevie Richards uncensored banana nut bread. JR's Mama's perfect rolls. JR's country cornbread. Finishing maneuvers, desserts. Kane's red velvet cake. Classy Freddie Blassie's classy cheesecake. Mark Henry's sexual chocolate cake. Albert's apple sauce cake. Gerald Briscoe's best cake ever. Mankind's pumpkin pie. Kurt Angle's all-American apple pie. McMahon's millionaire pie. Xbox banana cream pie. The Godfather's making chocolate pies is easy recipe. Brother Love's heavenly fudge squares. The Rock's favorite chocolate chip cookies. The Holly's family butter cookies. Viscera's no-bake cookies. Perry Saturn's super cookies. The Road Dogs omelet oatmeal cookies. The Big Boss Man's refrigerated cookie dough cookies. Hardy Boy's strawberry blueberry shortcake. Jericho's doodles. Doodles are Jericho's. Stone Cold cinnamon ice cream. Deborah's Marlowe sorbet. Bob Backlund's low carb vanilla ice cream. Didn't know Backlund ate the ice cream. Stephanie's tasty green witch apples. JR's Granny's chocolate gravy. Victory celebration beverages. Sergeant Slaughter's Revelair coffee. Got that one wrong. Fabulous Moolah and Mae Young's after dinner specialty coffee. Crash Holly's Jello shooters. Tori's banana orange smoothie. Acknowledgements. Other books you could get like China, WrestleMania, Mankind, The Rock Says, and Foley's Christmas. The end. Oh, and they got a photo of JR hanging out with Deborah.